Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of REM Bus. I'm a host, Kazz, and also, as always, I got Callum with me. Welcome to the
Well,
show, Callum.
thank you
So,
for having
guys,
me.
let's talk about where the market is. I mean, not major news from anywhere. Obviously, there's a lot of environmental factors, and obviously the war in the Gulf. So there are few contributing factors into that. But saying that, let's hope for the best. We are heading towards the Easter long weekend. Let's see where we at with all these graphs. Callum, over to you. What's going on with the Bitcoin?
Yes, thank you for having me, Kaz, and very welcome to you all for another REM bus. Look, guys, again, noise, right? That's what's actually Kaz was informing you guys. There's a lot of things that talks about the market. Now, bear in mind, guys, something I want to actually reflect on. The world's greatest investor, Warren Buffett, what he does, is he near some sort of a stock exchange, checking the top stocks every 5 seconds, waiting for someone to tell him what to do. No, he's the Oracle of Omaha. He's somewhere far, far away in his office,
Hmm.
reading news and getting to know his financial, details about his companies and everything. He's assessing them. So what does it mean by that? That means need to be an intelligent investor. I strongly advise you check that Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. That's a good book to be read through. Now, guys, while you're there, just think about it. All these noises there. Have a clear mind and make sure you take the rational decisions. Make sure you are accountable and you're doing exactly what needs to be done. Hence, you don't need to worry about the rest of the business. That will come accordingly. But what I want you to understand is whatever happens, you are ready to face this and you want to take, number one, retain. You're not going to sell anything. Number two, to take an advantage if we go to the bear markets. Take that advantage. Let's go to the charts, guys, so you understand exactly what I'm talking about, right? So going back to the charts, there we go. You can see the charts now. Now, guys, you can see here, you can see the markets. We probably check this all the time. You know, good point to buy anything over here, right? Same with, we were talking about Polkadot and things like that before, going down really enormously, right? But, guys, our main issue is here. What's happening with Bitcoin? What's happening with Ethereum? You can see Ethereum is doing okay. It's not going down as we speak. It's 2000 and staying there, bit stable, going up. It's replicating Bitcoin, but doing well. And I think this can be the edge. Ethereum can be the edge, guys. If Ethereum shows some sign of going up, you can bet all coins would follow. All coins would follow. XRP is there. You can see XRP has been stable, guys, in 1.3, and that's something which is good as well. These sort of things are there, which I think is amazingly good, right? Let's go to the Bitcoin charts, guys. Oh, here we go. The charts, right? Now, guys, look at this. This chart, we got the 50 MA 50 and MA 200 moving averages. Remember this cross. As soon as the pink line crosses the blue line, we get to go to the bear market. See?
Hmm.
And last time I said this can be this area here, right? Going back to the history, if history repeats well, we were thinking it please be like this, so it'll go up. But since this line is crossed, which I can see, you can go ahead and say, okay, we are maybe going towards the bear market. Look, this has crossed. Once it's crossed, there were few lines here. These are this is a 3-day chart. So every line reflects a 3-day. And you can see sometime like this, and then it went down. So even though this is crossed over here, it's not going to go straight away down like this. It's crossed and it may go somewhere like here, and then it may reflect down, going down here as well. My prediction, as I said, is 50 to 40 is the lowest part, and it'll go on as a bear market. So I put these two lines here. You're watching this today, guys. Remember, I told you so, right? I'm telling you now. You can go back to this video next time when I'm telling you, right? It's going to be around this area here. This is a good time to accumulate, guys. This is also fine. As long as you dollar cost average, we'll do a dollar value average here, guys. You can actually add value by doing exactly around here, adding that amounts, right? Slowly start from 50s, go to the 40s, right? 43, 45. Don't wait for 40 and going down here. Don't buy everything here. It may not go there. It will go around here, inside here. Why I'm saying that, look at this chart. As soon as this went down from here, 2022, 6, which is June 2022, till when did we start going up? Over here. That is like October 2023, all bear market. You had all the opportunity to purchase here. Beautiful segment here. So this is somewhere you can purchase. It was from around 30,000 till 15,000. Was that range? Now you don't want to wait till the 15,000, guys. You never know. You never know. This is the area, the range I'm talking about. You need to dollar value average, do some dollar value averaging here. Same thing here, guys. I'm going to predict that it's going to come here. And again, guys, this is not a financial advice. Do your due diligence, right? Make sure you understand the concept. Take your own responsibility. Don't let anyone give you an, not me, not no one. I'm just a guide here, showing what I think. I may be wrong, but I think this is the correct aspect. This is the correct spectrum. So I'm just letting you know this now. I did mention to get something here. Go back to our videos. You can see how many times I've asked you to take some profit here, right? If you have taken profit, beautiful, great work, right? Now you can purchase back here. You can double your money here. So look, 3 times, guys. If you buy around here, from here, 4 times 3, all right, is if you sold, let's say you bought a Bitcoin, you sold it here. Now, once you sell it here, if you buy it here, you can buy 3 Bitcoins out of this. Then when it goes up, my God, you are making 3 times more. And of course, it's going to stop here. It's going to go somewhere here. And you're going to make huge money just by doing this in Bitcoin only. So think about this, guy. When I say, please sell some, and I'm not perfect as well, guys. We're all not perfect, but this is the time to cash out. This is the time to buy. Let's all work on this. And if you're with us, if you're checking our REM buzzers, this is what you get, value, like what you get from REM. REM, you get this value. Now, guys, this is it. This is what it is. So basically, remember, in REM, this is a good chart to watch. It's a 4-hour chart. Great time to purchase. To go to the 1-day chart. Look, again, do your due diligence. You can purchase REM at MEXC, REM/USDT. Great purchasing amount here. It's an RWA project, guys. We work with real estate, something that's stable with these sort of volatile markets as well. Linking crypto world to the real world. Why it's called real world asset, RWA project. And you can see the team here. So look at it. That's the opportunity. But at the same time, do your due diligence again, guys. Now, with that, I want to take you to another dimension, which is fear and greed index. What is our fear and greed index today? A little bit fear here, guys, but the global angle and everything, what's happening in West Asia and all these things, that in Middle East and all these issues with petrol prices going up, oil prices, you can see here, guys, the fear has gone up a little bit because it's going towards the fear area, right? Down to the fear area. But we're still in this mark, right? What about the altcoin season index? We have to look at all these factors. Altcoin season index has, changed a little bit. Last week we went to 50, guys. This is brilliant, right? Compared to last month, we're still in the very positive side. Small amendment in small hype in Ethereum. I predict we can see an altcoin regardless where the Bitcoin goes here. Don't worry about the Bitcoin cycle, guys. We have to change as the time goes on. And I predict that Bitcoin cycle and altcoin season can be two different things we're talking about. This is just me talking, right? And I may be wrong, 100% wrong, but look at the facts. Look at the facts, guys. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. You can see the dominance level, what was yesterday was almost same, guys, not a big difference. You can see Ethereum is keeping up its pace. So therefore, we can be happy, guys. We don't need to be very gloomy, but this is an opportunity, guys. So what I say is, let's take this advantage. Let's use our things like REM. Or I can vouch on REM because we work on REM. We know what's happening. You can see a team sort of thing. This is a microcap, which has a huge potential. Is that huge or huge? Somehow, huge potential, which can go up to here, which it has done in the future, in the past, and we may see it in the future somewhere here, even it goes up here. Amazing, given that this is what you got today, like 100x story we're talking about, right? So, given that information, guys, I would wish you all the best. Happy Easter and all the best. Keep calm. This is the time for us to stay focused. And if we stay focused, if we be, focused and motivate ourselves, keep ourselves composed, listen to what it is and find out exactly what we need to find out, and then invest accordingly, we're victorious. So, given that information, I want to give back to Kazz. Kazz, what do you think?
Now that's good information, Callum. Thank you very much. So, guys, there you go. That's as it is the market at the moment. Like Callum said, do your due diligence. We can only speak out our mind. Plus, we turn the facts from our graphs. So, again, thank you very, very much for joining us, and have a very safe Easter long weekend. Enjoy, whoever going to enjoy that one, and we'll see you guys next week. Till then, see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.